Alright, hello everybody, my name is Miles, and today we're going to be shooting out my Mesa 212 rectifier cabinet and the 2 Notes Torpedo Captor X rectifier 212 virtual IR. God, that's a mouthful. So, the inspiration for this video is a comment that was left by Metal Insights 9664. I was wondering, how does it sound compared to a mic'd cab using the same mic and cab setup in the room and virtually? So that comment was left on my 2 Notes Torpedo Captor X review. I think this is a great idea. Let's get this going. So before we just jump into the sound comparisons, let's go over the gear I'm going to be using. For my guitar, I'm going to use my Epiphone Les Paul Custom Björn signature guitar. I've got an EMG 81 in the bridge and 85 in the neck. Not that the 85 matters, I always keep the volume turned down on that one. For the amplifier, we're going to be using my EVH 5153 EL34 50 watt amplifier on the red channel. And then the cabinet's going to be obvious. It's the 212 Mesa Recticab and the 2 Notes Torpedo IR, the virtual Recto cabinet. We're using a virtual SM57, and we're going to use a real SM57. And for my audio interface, we're going to be using the UR44C by Steineberg. My DAW is Cubase 10 Pro. So I did this all in one take. It's not multiple takes put together, so you're getting one clean, hopefully, well, it's going to be one seamless take, and I'm going to jump back and forth between the two and include the room mic, which is coming off of the camera. So, let's take a listen. Alright, so that was the 2 Notes Captor X versus my guitar cabinet. They don't sound exactly alike. I do hear the similarities in the tone profile, and that would probably be the amplifier. I did do a little bit of post EQ on either of them just to kind of tame down some of the harsh frequencies. Nothing too crazy. Really interested in your thoughts though. If you could, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.